Ever wonder how huge, complex organizations actually work? Well, let's dive right in.
I mean, it's pretty amazing, right? Perfect coordination, and nobody says a word. How did they do it?
The secret? It's not a boss giving orders. It's all about years of shared, standardized training. And that's what we call a professional assembly. You see them everywhere, hospitals, law firms, you name it. So it's a totally different way of getting things done. We're talking autonomy, not just following orders. This is great. The training is so deep, so ingrained that everyone just knows what to do next. In these groups, it's all about nailing the performance, not reinventing the wheel every single time. And this leads to a real sense of professional freedom. These folks expect to work on their own. This quote just says it all. It feels like you're your own boss, but you still get a paycheck. But of course, all that freedom comes with its own set of, let's say, unique problems. The first one is something called pigeonholing. Basically, fitting a problem into a neat little box. It's super efficient, sure, but what happens when a problem doesn't quite fit into one of those boxes? Okay, problem number 2 is when that professional freedom goes a little too far. It's that classic danger of expertise becoming a set of blinders to anything new. Yeah, when you're so hyper-focused on one tiny thing, it's really tough to see the bigger picture. And the third big issue, oh, it's a huge one, a deep, deep resistance to any kind of change. Because everyone is used to their own stable world, trying to change the system is almost impossible. But hey, the professional assembly is just one piece of the puzzle. There are actually 4 main types. And as you can see, each one has a completely different way of getting things done for different situations. So the big question is, how can you spot these different setups out in the real world? Just by asking these simple questions, you can start to see the hidden structures playing out all around you. So think about it. Which of these forms do you see most often? It kind of changes how you see things, right?